All right, there's this trending punch filter that is ongoing all over social platform now, especially TikTok and Instagram. Today I'll be showing you how you can get this filter done. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because you understand really a lot of things with AI, do a lot of musical things. You want to great subscribing to this channel. So let's dive in. And let's see how you can get this filter done. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. All right, so the name of the app we'll be using to generate the punch effect is called Pixverse. Pixverse. So here's the Pixverse. You can get it from your browser. So once you open the Pixverse, you log in, and a daily 100 can be given to you to use. So you look for the effect you want to use. So here's the punch effect I want to use. The it's called punch face. So the name of this template is punch face. So you click on the picture you're going to use. So here is me using my picture. You can use any picture, you can use any picture, and it will generate it very fast for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. All right, so once you click on it, it will generate, and your video will be ready. So you see your video in the small arrow, then you're going to use you have other wonderful template as well that you can use. Then you see your video, you go to the video and you download it. You can see, so some people will be using it for other people's picture. I decided to use my picture here as an example. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. So you download, and when it is done, you can publish from here. You can send to any of your platform, or if you feel like adding any other sound, you go and add any other sound. Thank you.